Okay, guys, this is the second part of task 14. I'm going to start with question 2D. All right, the question is saying 2 to the power of a times 2 to the power of a plus 1 equals to 8. Okay, how are we going to solve this question now? Right, as you can see, my bases are 2 and 2. So the best option for me will be to write 8 also as an exponent on the base of 2. Okay. And remember here, guys, 2 to the power of a times 2 to the power of a plus 1. Remember, multiplication with the same base, we add the powers. So, okay, let me get the flashlight. Right, so I have same bases, multiplication. The rule tells me when you are doing multiplication with the same bases, add the powers. So a and a plus 1 will be added together. Okay, so it's going to be 2 to the power of a plus a will be 2a plus 1. Okay, 2 to the power of 2a plus 1 equals to 8. When I write it as an exponent, it's going to be 2 to the power of 3. Because now, look, if say you use 3 times, if you say 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 will be 4, times 2 will be 8. Okay, so now once I write this 8 on the power of 2, right? So as you can see here, guys, I have same basis, 2 and 2, then I will just work with the powers. So when you look at the powers, 2a plus 1 equals to 3, right? 2a plus 1 equals to 3. It's a normal equation. 2a equals to, take this 1 to the other side, because I want to leave the unknowns one side, which is 2a, and the knowns one side, which are the numbers. Okay, so when I take this 1 to the other side of equation, obviously it's going to change its sign. It's going to be -1. Then 2a will be 3 minus 1 will be 2. 2a equals to 2. Divide both sides by 2. Then a will be 1. Okay. Question 2e. 5 times 5 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 125. Okay, 5 and 5. This 5 has no power here, but remember, guys, we said the first power of every number is the number itself. So you can say this is 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 1. Okay, so basically 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 125. So the only thing I need to do here is to write this 125 in the form of an exponent. And that is 5 to the power of 3, because 5 times 5 will be 25. 25 times 5 will be 125. So 5 to the power of 3 is 125. Okay, so when I write everything, right, in the form of an exponent, it looks like this. 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of x plus 1. Now I'm doing multiplication and I have the same basis. So I'm going to add this 1 plus x plus 1, right? Then equals to 5 to the power of 3. So now I have the same basis for all of these terms here. So I'm going to work with the powers. 1 plus x plus 1 will be x plus 2, right? Because x plus 1 is here, plus 1 will be x plus 2 equals to, as you can see, 5 to the power of 3. The power is 3 here, so x plus 2 equals to 3. Then x equals 2, take this to the other side of the equation, will be 3 minus 2, which will be 1. So x is going to be 1. Okay, question 2f. 10 to the power of x minus 5 equals to 1 over 10. So you must not get confused, guys, when you see 1 over 10. Don't think what's happening here. We're doing exponential equation. Now there is a fraction. Remember, we said, I don't know if I wrote it. Yeah, the rule is here. A to the power of negative n, guys, is equals to 1 over a to the power of positive n. So when you write this for a number, right? So 10 to the power of negative 1. Look at here now. 10 to the power of negative 1 is just like this rule here. 10 is a and n is 1. So 10 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over a to the power of positive n, we said here, right? So a was 10. 10 to the power of negative 1 is going to be 10 to the power of positive 1, right? Then this equals to 1 over 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 is 10. So 1 over 10 to the power of 1 is actually 1 over 10. So that's where it comes from, right? So 10 to the power of x minus 5 equals to 1 over 10. But when we do a question, instead of 1 over 10, I'm going to write the original form of this number, which is 10 to the power of negative 1. Okay, then look here now, 10 to the power of x minus 5 equals to 10 to the power of negative 1, which is 1 over 10. Remember I said I'm going to write the original form of this. Okay, so same basis, 10 and 10. Then I'm going to work with the powers. So x minus 5 equals to negative 1. X minus 5 equals to negative 1. This is my equation. Okay, so I'm going to leave the unknowns one side and the knowns one side. I'm going to take this negative 5 to the other side of the equation. Negative 1 is there. This negative 5, when I take it to the other side, is going to be positive 5. Negative 1 plus 5 will be 4. So x equals to 4. Okay, I'm going to continue with task 15. All right, so these are the only questions for task 14. Now I'm going to continue with task 15.